To celebrate their 10-year anniversary, Beats launched the Decade Collection, which includes no less than 5 special edition products across their lineup. The Beats Studio Freeze, Solo Freeze, Powerbeats, eatsx, and urbeats. I got the Beats Solo Freeze and I'll be unboxing them right now. Since you're watching this video, you might want to get something from their Decade Collection as well, so let me know which of their products you'd like to buy in the comment section. What you need to know is that this edition, much like the Beats Solo Free Pop collection, is just a cosmetic change, so you get the exact same specs as the regular Solo Freeze, which released in 2017. That includes of course the insane 40-hour battery life thanks to the W1 chip from Apple, and fast fuel, which quickly gets you 3 hours of playback in just 5 minutes of charging. Inside the box we'll find the Beats Solo Freeze in a limited edition carrying case, which highlights their 10-year anniversary, a micro USB charging cable, the 3.5mm cable, and some literature which includes a quick start guide, a sticker, and the warranty info. As for the Solo Freeze themselves, I personally enjoy the specific color combination, which is very similar to the matte black version, but adds some red accents. On one side you can see the power button, LED power indicators, and the micro USB charging port. On the other side you have the volume control buttons and the 3.5mm audio jack. Pairing was super simple, again thanks to the W1 chip. I just had to hold my phone close to the headphones when I turned them on and they paired automatically. Well, I just wanted to show you a super quick video about the Decade Collection Solo Freeze. I'd love to share my thoughts in an in-depth review. If that's something you'd be interested in seeing, let me know by hitting the like button and subscribing. Thanks for watching and I'll see you soon.